Hi everybody, it's Judy here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for tuning in today's video. Today I want to talk about Korean beauty, makeup, and skincare products. I've got some amazing products to share with you in today's video, but before I get into those, I want to thank Stylevana for collaborating with me again this month and sending me these products so that I can share them with you guys. First thing I wanted to talk about is this Make Prem skincare box, should I say. This makes for an absolutely beautiful present for someone or a present for yourself, like treat yourself. It is packaged so beautifully. It comes in this beautiful cardboard box. Both items within the box are packaged so nicely with packaging, little jute string, and it's like a whole experience when you open up the box. I feel like packaging is like 50% of the experience in the joy of getting a new product. So within this box you get two products. One is a tea tree essence, effective for soothing care, fresh calming for the skin, and the other product is an extra moisture essence containing panthenol. Panthenol is an ingredient that is actually used as a moisturizer and to improve wound skin healing in both pharmaceutical and cosmetic products. So when it comes to dry, chapped, irritated, sensitive skin, panthenol is an ingredient that you're going to want to have in your moisturizing skincare, and that's what this product has. The bottles packaging are so incredibly cute. This makes for like a really nice calm moment, like Instagram moment, if you're one of those people who likes to take photos of your skincare products. I'm one of those people who does. And again, packaging can make or break a product, and they really nailed it when it comes to the packaging in these products. It has a nice soft matte type feel, and when it comes to actual skincare, the ingredients in these products are really some things that you're going to want to have in your skin. Korean skincare isn't noted for their beautiful results for nothing. This is it. This is it. So that's something that I'm really excited about, something that I would really recommend for you guys to try out or to even just check out. Just go check it out on the website. The next thing is this VT Cosmetics Sun Pact. When I first opened this up, it stunned me at how absolutely gorgeous this compact is. It's just beautiful. You almost don't even want to touch it. It's actually a balm. It almost looks like a cushion foundation, but it's actually a balm, like a sunscreen balm. It comes with this little pad here, and the really cute swirly whirly design on the product itself is actually a really nice touch. It's almost the same color as the packaging in the box. The color is so on brand for VT Cosmetics. I've talked about VT Cosmetics before. Love their skincare. Haven't personally used any products like this from VT Cosmetics, but I know that the ingredients from this skincare line or this brand are really, really good. So I'm excited to try that one out. I mean, you cannot go wrong with SPF, which is what this is. It's basically a compact of SPF. Like, I know people put importance on sunscreen or sun care, but to have it in such a classy looking compact like this, something that you could put in your purse or in your bag and just apply sunscreen throughout the day, I mean, what innovation. I know sunscreen is probably easier to apply as a liquid form, but if you want to be classy while you're doing it, go for this compact. It's pretty cool, and it's just so beautiful. Tiffany blue never goes out of style. It's just so classy. I love it. If you want to be a classy, bougie ass bitch, then I mean, check this out. It's so cool. This is a skincare set made by the Pure Lotus. It's an Amenity set, so it's kind of like something that you just want to have in your bag or in your travel skincare makeup purse. This has a trio of 3 skincare items in it. One is a lotus leaf essence, the other is a botanical pH balancing cleanser, and one is a revitalizing cream. This makes for a beautiful present, beautiful gift to give to someone or yourself, and again, spot on, nailed it with packaging. I personally have not tried this yet, and I probably will end up giving this as a gift to my mom or my sister, but this is one of the examples of beautiful gift sets that you can also purchase from Stylevana. Beautiful. I just can't get over how pretty it is. Here is another example of a really beautiful skincare set that you can purchase from Stylevana. This is from the brand Laneige, and this packaging is so incredibly cute. 3 little containers of 3 little pots of hydration for your skin. One of them is a Cica sleeping mask. I have talked about Cica in some of my videos before. Cica as an ingredient in your skincare is something that you want to have. It's an ingredient found in a lot of Asian Asian, Korean beauty and skincare that provides hydration and restoration to your skin. The next thing is the sleeping mask. I have used this before. I have used like a whole one of this before, and it is so hydrating to the lips. I don't use it just as a mask before I go to bed. I used it as a lip balm all the time, had it in my purse, had it in my handbag, brought it to work, and it's such an amazing lip hydrating product. I struggle with dryness everywhere on my face and on my body, and it just really helps to have something like this handy. And the last one is a water sleeping mask. I haven't tried this one before, but I am really looking forward to trying it out. A lot of the products that I have used from Laneige have been spot on, amazing products, leaving my skin feeling so supple and healthy, hydrated and plump, and I just love, I cannot say how much, and I'm not just saying this because Stylevana is like giving me these products. I love these skincare products. They are beautiful, absolutely beautiful. You know, good skin doesn't come from nothing. You need good products to back it up, and that's what some of these products are. You can get this trio in a cute little box like this. It's so cute. They package everything so beautifully, and I personally actually really like to have my skincare products in tiny little packaging like this. I know you probably end up having to purchase it more, especially if you're someone who is like right on top of your skincare game, use it morning and night. But I personally like to have my skincare in smaller vessels because it means I use it up faster and they stay fresh longer. So you purchase less quantities more often rather than having like a big jar of lotion or moisturizer or something and taking months and months and months to get through it. By the time you get to the end of that bottle, generally it's pretty manky and old and gross. I mean, that's the way I think about it anyway. So sometimes purchasing skincare in smaller containers like this, or this even, like I prefer that personally. I just find it a lot more fresh, if that makes any sense at all. The next product is another thing from Laneige. This is basically a toner. It's a refreshing skin refiner that prepares the skin and supplies hydration, energy quickly and efficiently. It's a toner, guys, something that you apply in the morning or in the evening before you go in with all your other skincare. It's just, for me personally, I never really understood what toners were until I started using them. I thought that there was just one other step that you needed in your skincare, but it's basically the step that takes everything off your face, doesn't strip it, but it kind of prepares your skin for everything else that you're going to be applying on top. It's kind of like a primer for skincare, if that makes any sense. That's the easiest way I can explain what a toner is. The next product is this baked velvet tint. It's like a lip tint, and it's from the brand MACQUEEN New York. It's just a really nice natural lip color moment. I found that the lip products from Stylevana aren't anything too bold or bright or in your face. It's just a really nice lip tint, natural lip moment right there. It has a really nice velvet finish, so it's not anything that's too drying on the lips, but it is also quite long wearing. It tints your lips. Well, it's a lip tint. It actually smells like berries, or you know those stickers that, I don't know, I'm a millennial, and when I was a kid there were stickers out there that you would scratch. If it was a picture of like grapes or berries, you'd scratch it and it smelled like that. Comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. That's what this smells like, and it smells beautiful. I love it. It's not anything like too sickening fragrance-y, and I have worn this on the lips before too, and it's not anything that tastes awful. It just smells really nice. So that's just another example of something that you can find from Stylevana. The makeup I find from there are more on the natural, glowy, dewy, nothing too bold or bright side of makeup. If you type in Korean makeup on Google, that's kind of the general vibe that you'll get from the makeup that you can get from Stylevana. I know they have some bolder, brighter makeup out there, but as a general rule, I have personally found the makeup from Stylevana lean more towards the natural, glowy, more blotted and muted type makeup looks, which I personally love. I gravitate towards more natural, glowy, dewy looks these days. And the last product is actually a makeup product. This is the Moonshot Glassyfit Cushion Foundation. It has SPF 50+ in it. Packaging is so cute and so pretty. Look at that, pink, delicate, dainty, and so beautiful. It blends and pats beautifully into the skin. It's really easy to touch up throughout the day. Cushion foundation, I just feel it has this different feel and different formula to it. Throughout the day, if it does break up on the skin, all you gotta do is like pat on a little bit more, just the tiniest little bit more with a sponge, providing that you didn't set it down with powder, because that will just make it cakey. I don't personally use powder on my skin because I just find makeup easier to touch up throughout the day if I haven't set it down with powder. It's just the way my skin type goes. I don't know if it's the same for you, but it's just the way that I've found that to be the case. And cushion foundation touches up really nicely. It actually wears really nicely throughout the day too. Korean, I mean, they've just nailed it. They've just done an amazing job. So anyway, those are all the products that I want to share with you guys in today's video. I've used a lot of these or products from Stylevana similar to these products, and I have very, very rarely been disappointed in using any of them. I would really recommend that you guys check these products out. Any information that you need to know will be in the description box down below. Thank you for spending your time here with me today, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!